United Arab Emirates, Italy, Belgium, Chile, South Africa, Spain, Belarus, Albania, Czech Republic was a big one, Iceland, French, Cyprus, Guinea, Japan, Cuba, Denmark, Cyprus,
Hey, darling.
Syria, Brazil, Hungary, Sweden, blur blur blur, blur blur blur, Spain, Malaysia, Cameroon, Canada, New Zealand, I never a special Denmark. What is now Denmark is here? You know why? I'm going to another way. This flag is not bad, but I think it's Madagascar. Just this for this on the West Africa's. Lebanon, and Singapore, Ukraine, Norway, Second, Vietnam, Mongolia, Sweden. Oh, I know. This is not a flag, but I think there's a form. It's Nepal, Spain, Uruguay, New Zealand, Taiwan, Malaysia, Angola, Senegal, Bulgaria, Argentina, Greece. What are you doing in here? Get out of my stupid, shitty studio. I think it's Argentina again. Oh no, Mozambique, you here again. What is wrong with you? Lebanon, Mexico, Serbia. I think there's a Russia's upside down flag, but apparently it's okay. And Denmark, Estonia.
Welcome to BotBot Intelligent Workout Planning. BotBot's workouts take
Austria, Libya, Belarus, Venezuela, Libya, Finland, Nepal, Mexico, Taiwan, Belarus, Croatia, Syria, Austria, Israel, Turkey, Ghana, Denmark, Egypt, Hungary, Guinea, Sweden, Ireland, Norway, Portugal. This is not for Venezuela again. Romania, Bangladesh, Iran, Algeria, Ecuador, Peru, Spain. Oh my God, Canada, you here again? Get out of this stupid crap like Lithuania did. I think it's Guinea, South Africa, Greece, Switzerland, France, Indonesia, Austria, Philippines, Colombia, Hungary, Ethiopia, Mozambique, Nigeria. Oh my God, Algeria, it's you again. Get out. Oh, I think it's Serbia, but it's Russia's upside down flag and it's putting the coats of arms in here. It would be so much perfect cool. Malta, Greece, Israel, Romania, New Zealand. Maybe I can just get to another place. No! Why are you not leaving? Get out! Saudi Arabia, Belgium, Sweden, South Korea, but it's the normal Korea, Vietnam, I'm seriously. You're supposed to stay in the dumpster. Oh my God, you here again. Are you kidding me? What the hell is this? I think it's Poland or something. Oh, never mind. Let's get to another one. Latvia, Ethiopia, South Africa, Peru, Chile. Oh no, you here again. Well, you know what that means. Death by monkeys.